I gotta stop. What was that?
Down, I couldn't get it up. Bullshit.
Here, wait, I got it. Wait, let me get. Well, there's an easier way to do it. Huh? I think it's funny as hell. That's good. See, I definitely have to remember not to stop. I have to remember not to stop now.
And this guy was sort of standing outside the place, and he turned to me and said, "Are you all right?" And I said, "I will be if you help me get this fish back."
Just don't do it while you're going fast.
Yep.
That's the first time I ever dropped it on camera and it wasn't even my fault. Got knocked over like a domino.